Hey guys, welcome to my channel Pinto Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good. And in today's recipe, I'm going to show how to make pork Amsol. It's a very simple recipe and yet very delicious. So you don't need much effort also to make this. What you basically need is pork, which I've taken 600 grams. Cut them in thin slice. And check this out. What you have to do is apply salt is to taste. You also need whole cumin, which is half a tablespoon. What you need to do is you have to crush the cumin little bit. That's what I did. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of red crushed chillies, and then kokum is to give the sourness is 12 each, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, and 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. You also need onion slice, which is 2 medium, and then 5 green chili cut in slit lengthwise. Once you add all the ingredients, you need to mix this properly. So once this is mixed well, now we need to keep this on the flame. Guys, mix this well, saute it for a while in order to get better flavor. Before adding any water to this, and use a non-stick pan. It is always better to avoid getting it stuck at the bottom. And also, as you all have noticed, I have not used any oil in this. It's a oil-free dish. Let it cook for a while. Guys, check this out. After simmering it for 5 minutes, start to release water. Check this out. Mix it properly. We'll cover this and keep it for at least 5 minutes. Let the water dry up before we add water to this. Guys, check this out. After simmering it for 5 minutes, now I'm going to add 1/4 cup of water. Mix it. Cover this and keep on medium flame for at least 10 minutes. Guys, check this out. After simmering it for at least 10 minutes. Now the reason why I said use a non-stick pan is you don't have to stir it in between. You keep it on slow, it gets cooked by itself. Like this. This is already ready now. I'm going to turn off the flame and this is ready to serve. Now if you want more dry, you can keep it for at least 2-3 minutes more. It will get more dry, but this is good enough. Check this out. Look at this, how delicious it looks. This is a simple recipe. You don't need much effort to make this. You just have to mix everything and keep it on a range. This is how you make pork Amsol. Guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Share it with your friends, and thank you very much. God bless you all.